Hi Beanbeauti, Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? This is take 2 of the intro and the outro. I'm going to try to make the video itself work. I'm trying this new fancy microphone that the hubby got me for Christmas. And the good news is it works. The bad news is operator error, I guess. I left it, when I turned it on, I hit the echo button. So the whole original video was taken with the echo on. So hopefully the intro and the outro will be better. And I don't always have this bad of sound quality, but if you stick around, it's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it. I want a giveaway. I want a giveaway from the channel Fashion Without Limitations, and it was Deandra Bolton's, and then I also have some viewer mail. So let me grab all that and let's get that. Hold on just a second. Be right back. Let me do this viewer mail first. This is from Dee Higinbothom. You will often find her in the lives, and also down in the comment box. She had said she had some stickers to send me. Here's this beautiful card that has butterflies on it, and true to her word, she sent me 2 stickers. It was during my deck miss. Here's a deck with the Christmas lights, and here is another deck in the sleigh. And let's see what she has to say. She says, Dee Dee, enjoy the decks, Dee. Thank you very much. I greatly appreciate it. I believe she has sent me decks before. I have them all kind of spaced around, and she shared them with me. So thank you so much. I greatly appreciate that. Because I don't get them. Because Duty is mean to me. All right. So now, Deandra had a giveaway, and I entered it in, and I actually won. I'm not sure. I don't remember, because it was before Christmas, and it came or in early January, so it came while we were on vacation. And so she sent it to me, and I know that we were both a little worried, but I got it. It wasn't a problem. It says, hey Dee Dee Bean, I'm sorry for the wait and that I don't have official stationery. I hope you enjoy your the sunglasses. That's what it was, and you enjoyed your trip. That's what it was. Because I think she was wanting to get it to me before so I could have them. But this is great because I broke a pair of sunglasses. She had purchased several sunglasses, and I believe this was the pair that didn't quite go with her. And she raffled these off, and I definitely wanted to try this brand, and I definitely wanted to, and I liked them. I thought these were good looking. So they're Laura Bay, and I will link or put some information about the website up here. And they also have a great presentation. Have this nice little box, and actually it feels like the Dior box for my Dior sunglasses. Open it up, and right here it feels like microfiber. It's a little fuzzy. It's kind of very, very cute. And then here is that in here, and comes with eyeglass cleaners, and it comes in a soft pouch, which is great because that will help keep them in your handbag, safely in your handbag. Oh, okay, they're all wrapped up. Look at that. Very, very nice. Very, very cool. So I love these like cat eyes. How do I? They're nice and snug. I like that. I see, I don't know if they're polarized or not, but I see, I don't know if you can tell, they're kind of orangey hue, like right there, do you see that it's kind of an orangey hue? So I put them on and I see orange. It looks very orange. It's a very, it's like a tinted look, you know, when you're looking at a tinted window. Very much so, because, yeah, very cool. All right, Deandra, I love it. Thank you so much, I thank you so much. Oh, and while I'm on here, I'm just going to throw everything in this video. I'll make it an hour long. Who knows? But you specifically had asked about the cherry earrings. I'm wearing the cherry earrings, so, these were bonus earrings I had bought in my Cherries haul that I put out just before I went on vacation. Thank y'all all for watching it. It's in like, I think it got 1K, or it's close to getting 1K. I'm not sure if it hit it or not, but thank you for everybody who's watching. Y'all are just absolutely wonderful. It's like this sweater I got. Now I've worn it a lot. Everybody seemed to like the sweater. I got the sweater from Amazon, and I had bought some small earrings, and these earrings came with it. At the time, I couldn't figure out how to put them on, but look, DeAndrea, what you do is the cherry comes off, okay? Because I was trying to take off the top part. This part comes out. See? The whole thing slides through here. Now, fair warning, I don't know if fair warning, I took an alcohol swab and I cleaned the whole thing. Since the whole thing's going to be going through my ear, I cleaned both of them, and I cleaned the front and everything of the whole thing before I put them in my ear. And then when I took them out of my ear, I cleaned them again. I have these little small applicator swabs that I use for my medication, and I did the same with this earring, and take them out and do it again. So then when I put them up, because I wore them several times on the cruise, and then when I put them on today, I did the same thing, even though I cleaned them afterwards. And it just goes here, in here, and you just slide it in like that. But DeAndrea, that's how they work. I kept trying to take this off. I was just trying to take these apart, and they would never come apart. And then finally, I was sitting there on the cruise ship, and I said, I don't care if I'm going to break it. I'm like, I was trying to pull this out, and all of a sudden, whoop, this came out. So here, we'll zoom in while I try to see if I can do it without looking in the mirror. See? So you do put them in like that, and the curve goes to the front. And I'm not going to lie, it is a little bit difficult sometimes to get them, the post in to the hole. I think I might have, I thought I had did it. Okay, I'm going to try to see if I can do it in the mirror any faster.
One eternity later.
Okay, there. I'm not going to lie, this time it was a lot harder. Took forever to do. It's a little hard to do, but they're fun. Fashion sometimes is painful, difficult, but yes. Okay, we've accomplished a lot. I opened up some viewer mail. I opened up the giveaway from Fashion Without Limitations. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and know that you are welcome here anytime. And I thank you all for the love and support that you have given me. Alrighty, Thank you so much, Bean Beauties. Love y'all. Bye-bye. Hey, Bean Beauties. I hope that you made it to the end. I hope that the sound didn't totally turn you off and you just jumped out of here. If you jumped out of here, you're not watching this. You're not watching this, but I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, those of you who have made it to the end, who watched everything. And if you did make it to the end, you know what? Stick a microphone down in there. We know it's our own little secret. So you're true Bean Beauties if I see the microphones in there, and you stuck around to the end. Thank you very, very much. Alrighty, hope you enjoyed today. Thank you. Bye-bye. Love y'all.